What do you do when a native English speaker uses a crazy expression and you can't understand? You have to study the expression in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study common expressions in English. Keep at it. Chris is learning to play guitar. He's telling Sarah about his progress. I've been practicing the guitar for hours every day, but I still feel like I'm not improving much. Don't worry, Chris. These things take time. You might not see the improvement right away. I know, but it's so frustrating when I can't play the chords correctly. Listen, nothing comes easy. You can do it. Well, okay. Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate it. Remember, every great guitarist was once a beginner like you. Keep at it. You'll definitely get better. Quiz time. What does keep at it mean? Learn the guitar? Practice an instrument? Learn musical chords? Persist in doing something. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. Persist in doing something. Teaching moment. Keep is a word that means stay or continue. We often use keep plus gerund to mean continue that action. Keep studying English and keep watching my videos. They'll help. The expression keep at it is similar to this verb, but implies that something is difficult. Don't give up. Keep at it. Examples. Even though this lesson is challenging, if you keep at it, you'll understand it eventually. I know the training is tough, but keep at it and you'll see results. When faced with difficult tasks at work, it's essential to stay focused and keep at it until the job is done. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Right away. Soon, immediately. These things take time. The duration is long. The chords. Groups of musical notes. Was once a beginner. Was at one point a beginner. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.